All right, I'm gonna tell you a little story. Story is back in 2018, my client got rear-ended while she was driving for work. She had significant long-term injuries that her doctors discovered. And importantly, they weren't doctors she chose. She was driving for work. Her employer sent her to the doctors. The accident was not her fault. It wasn't her employer's fault. I tried to negotiate with the insurance company for the person that hit her, and they refused to even make an offer without me filing suit. They dragged it out because that's what insurance companies will do, and they made me sue them. And so they made me sue their defendant, the person that had been paying their insurance. They made an offer 1 or 2 years in for $80,000. That was effectively what the medical bills to that point were. And my client was injured for the rest of her life. She was gonna have 40 or 50 years of dealing with injections into her back, potential surgery, real serious problems. 6 years from when she got injured for us to go to trial. And the week before trial, they offered a maximum of $400,000. And my client, that's a lot of money. And I'm not saying that's not a lot of money, but it's not a lot of money when you're talking about decades. Decades where you may not be able to work because you're so hurt. And my client, and I believed in her, chose to move forward. And we got a $1.6 million verdict. Is that because I'm an amazing attorney? I like to think I did a pretty good job, but it had to do with the situation. And the biggest takeaway from that made me the maddest was that none of that had to happen. If the insurance company had valued that case correctly, if they hadn't purposely drawn it out, they hadn't tried to delay and force her to take pennies on the dollar, this could have gotten resolved. I wouldn't have had to have sued their driver.